Welcome to today's video. If you are curious about how the share market works and want to know what to expect in 2025, you are in the right place. We'll cover everything from basic concepts to the latest trends, tips, and predictions. So, let's dive right in. First, let's break down what the share market is. The share market, or stock market, is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. It acts as a barometer for the economy, where stocks represent ownership in businesses. These transactions happen in stock exchanges like the NYSE, Nasdaq, or NSE in India. But why do companies go public? And why should you care about it? Let's find out. Stocks are bought and sold in two main ways, on exchanges and over-the-counter markets. When you buy a stock, you are purchasing a small piece of ownership in a company. As the company grows, so does the value of your share, potentially. Let's look at how stock prices are determined. Before diving deeper, it's important to understand some key stock market terms. Here are a few you need to know. Shares, units of ownership in a company. Bull market, a market where prices are rising. Bear market, a market where prices are falling. Dividends, a portion of a company's profits paid to shareholders. IPO, initial public offering when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time. These terms are just the beginning, but they'll be essential for understanding the dynamics of the market. Now let's talk about what we can expect in the stock market in 2025. With technology and artificial intelligence rapidly advancing, companies in sectors like AI, renewable energy, and healthcare are likely to see strong growth. Investors are also paying attention to trends like green energy and sustainability. But with growth comes volatility, and we'll also see market corrections, so being prepared for ups and downs is key. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way stock markets function. Algorithms are helping to predict market trends and even making trades faster than humans. In 2025, we can expect AI-driven tools to become even more prevalent. This means smarter trading, but also potential risks due to automated systems. Here's how you can leverage AI to your advantage when investing. A successful investor knows that education is crucial. Whether you are investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate, research is your best friend. Follow financial news, stay updated with market trends, and consider using stock analysis tools. Learning from past market patterns is essential for making informed decisions. If you are new to the stock market, here are some tips to help you get started. Start small, invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Long-term perspective, avoid short-term speculation. Stay patient and keep learning. By following these tips, you'll be better positioned to succeed in the long run. Every investor makes mistakes, but here are some common ones to avoid. Trading on emotions. Don't panic when prices fall. Lack of research. Always do your due diligence before buying. Overtrading. Be careful not to trade too often based on short-term news. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll increase your chances of success. A well-balanced portfolio is key to long-term success. Diversifying your investments across various sectors and asset classes can help you ride out market volatility. Consider mixing stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrency in your portfolio. This reduces risk and can provide more stable returns. So, whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the share market and staying informed about trends will help you make smarter decisions in 2025. Remember, the market is always changing, but with good research and a long-term strategy, you can navigate it successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the stock market. See you in the next video.